Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. In summertime, where there are a lot of raw mangoes and lemons are fresh in the market, we gotta make pickle. So today's special recipe is mixed pickle. I have used lemon, raw mango and some green chilies. And before that, let's like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to see my future recipes. This pickle is so easy to make. I have made it instantly and very few ingredients that we are needed here. So and of course this pickle is so delicious with paratha, thepla, puri, or even a side on a side with dal and rice. So let's get started with the recipe. Alright, so I had this raw mango, just half of it left, and I thought we should make something. So I'm making mixed pickle, and this is a small pieces of raw mango. Just cut it like this, and I've taken 1.5 lemon, which I again cut into the small pieces. And this is green chili. I've taken around 5 to 6 green chilies and give a slit in between and cut it in half. So these three ingredients we're going to make mixed pickle. I have this pickle masala, so let's get started. So get a glass container to mix everything well and add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and almost 1 tablespoon of salt. So I'm going to give that a good mix and keep it covered. And since it's summer time, I'm going to keep this in a sunny area for about 2 to 3 hours because it releases all the flavors of this lemon, and it mainly because it helps the cover of the lemon to soften a bit. This is hard now because it's fresh, so once it soaks into the salt and turmeric, it's going to soften a little bit. So let's keep this covered in a sunny area for about 2 hours. Alright, so after 5 to 6 hours of soaking this in the sun, I see some juices are released, as you can see here. Yes, that's beautiful lemon juice, and if you can see, this is now softened. The cover of the lemon is softened. So let's add a few more ingredients. So this is the pickle masala that I have showed you earlier, the spice mix for pickle, and this is 2 tablespoons of jaggery. This is jaggery powder. If you do not have that jaggery, you can add sugar, no problem. And this I have taken 3 tablespoons of pickle masala. So let's mix this and move on to the next step. And look at this, how beautiful and colorful it looks. So let's move on to the next step. I'm going to give a tempering with mustard seeds and asafoetida. So this is a tiny little pan, and I've added 3 tablespoons of oil. Add mustard seeds and it has to splutter like this. As soon as this step happens, turn the heat off. Time to add some asafoetida, which is hing. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of hing, and also to spice up that pickle, I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Again, you can increase or decrease the quantity of red chili powder, it's up to you. Let's give that a good mix and let it sit for about 5 minutes on the stove, and once it's cooled down, we will add it in the pickle. Make sure the oil is not hot when you add it in the pickle. So let's wait for 5 minutes. Alright, so it's been 10-15 minutes already, and this oil mixture is not hot anymore. So let's add that in the pickle, and our pickle is ready. You can store this pickle in a glass container with an airtight lid on top. Keep it outside or in the kitchen counter or dry place for about 2 weeks, or if you want to preserve it for few more days, then you can keep it in the fridge. I hope you like this recipe of mixed pickle. Enjoy this in the summer and throughout the year. So I'll see you in the next video. Please leave it a like, share and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Stay safe. Bye bye.